Good morning to everyone. Welcome to my class. Yes, math with Riblet. Okay, start. 17% of 50%. 70%. 70% me 70 by 100. Half means just multiplication. Half means multiplication. 50%. 50 by 100. 0 and 0 cancel. 0 and 0. So numerator 7 5 35 by 10 10 100. This is equal to 35%. Another answer, decimal point 0.35. Denominators having two zeros, so point right side to 1 2, so 0.35. This is three solutions, 35 by 100 and 35%, 0.35. ఈ త్రీ ఆన్సర్స్లో ఏదైనా ఆప్షన్ మనకు ఉండొచ్చు. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ వన్. 12% ఆఫ్ 50. 12% ఆఫ్ 50. 12 by 100. 12% is equal to 12 by 100. Half means just multiplication into 50. 50 1 ja, 50 2 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja, that is equal to 6. Next, 3 square minus 2 square into 2 plus 7. 3 square, 3 square equal to 3 3 ja 9. 2 square, 2 2 ja 4 into 2 plus 7. Bodmer's rule. Bodmer's rule. First, remove bracket of D for division, multiplication, addition, subtract. Once again observe, so bracket of division not having this problem. Next, multiplication. First you remove multiplication. So 4 2 ja 8. 9 minus 8. 4 2 ja 8 plus 7. 9 minus 8 equal to 1. 1 plus 7 equal to 8. So answer is 8. Next, same problem. First remove this one. 7 8 ja 56 minus 7 plus 7 8 ja 56 by 7. So minus and plus having, first you subtract 56 minus 7 49 by 7. 7 1 ja 7 7 ja 7 by 1 equal to 7. Next, 16 divided by 2 cube whole power 4 plus 4 square minus 2 square. 16 divided by 2 cube. 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times, 2 and 3 times. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. So 2 cube equal to 8. Whole power 4, 4 square, 4 4 ja 16, 2 square, 2 2 ja 4. 16 by 8. 16 by 8 divided by means 16 by 8. 8 1 ja 8 2 ja. Whole power 4 plus 16 minus 4 12. So 2 by 1 equal to 2. 2 by 1 equal to 2 power 4. 2 power 4 plus 12. 2 power 4 equal to 2 no 4 times. So this is equal to 16. 2 ను 4 times రాసి మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేసుకోవాలి. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16 plus 12. So 28. Answer is 28. Next, 18 divided by 6 into 4 minus 2. First, this is Bodmer's rule. First you remove bracket. Here having bracket remove. So this value find it. 4 minus 2 2. 18 divided by 6 bracket 6 into 4 minus 2 value 2 2. Next, divided by and multiplication. First you solve this division. So 18 by 6. 18 by 6 into 2. 6 1 ja 6 3 ja. 3 by 1 equal to 3 into 2. 3 2 ja 6. Next, 9 plus 9 into 9 by 9. Here plus and into. First step solve into. 9 plus 9 9 ja 81 by 9. 81 plus 9 90 by 9. 9 1 ja 9 10 ja 10 by 1 equal to 10. Next 6 divided by 3 divided by 6 divided by 3. 6 can write as 6 by 1. 3 can write as 3 by 1. 6 by 1 divided by 3 by 1. 6 by 1 డివైడెడ్ బైని మనం ఇంటుగా ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేసినప్పుడు ఈ న్యూమరేటర్ అండ్ న్యూమరేటర్ను డినామినేటర్ని చేంజ్ చేయాలంటే ఇక్కడ డివైడెడ్ బైని ఇంటూ చేంజ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఈ 3 by 1 1 by 3 ఇంటూ 6 by 1 1 by 6 డివైడెడ్ బైని ఇంటూగా చేంజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో దీన్ని కూడా రివర్స్ 1 by 3. 6 and 6 cancel. So 1 into 1 into 1 1 by 3 1 ja 3 3 3 ja 9. Answer is 1 by 9. Same this is problem same. So direct this is 1 direct చేసుకోవచ్చు. 8 divided by ని ఇంటుగా చేస్తున్నా. అప్పుడు 4 ఏమవుతుంది 1 by 4 రివర్స్ డివైడెడ్ బైకి రివర్స్ ఇంటూ 8కు 1 by 8 ఇంటూ 4కు 1 by 4. 8 and 8 cancel. 1 1 ja 1 4 4 ja 16. Next same this model 5 divided by ని ఇంటూ 5ను రెసిప్రోకాల్ వచ్చేసి 1 by 5 డివైడెడ్ బై రెసిప్రోకాల్ ఇంటూ 5 రెసిప్రోకాల్ 1 by 5 ఇంటూ సేమ్ 1 by 5 ఇంటూ 1 by 5. 5 and 5 cancel. So numerators all 1 2 3 5 cube 3 times 5 ఉంది 5 cube. So 1 by 125 5 cube 5 5 ja 25 25 5 ja 125. ఈ 2 సొల్యూషన్స్లో మనకు ఏదైనా ఆప్షన్ ఉండవచ్చు. ఇంకా మనం 1 by a power n 1 by a power n ఈక్వల్ టు a power minus n. సో ఇంకో ఆప్షన్ కూడా ఉండొచ్చు. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ 5 power minus 3. ఈ 4 ఆప్షన్స్లో ఏదైనా ఆన్సర్ ఉండొచ్చు. 1 by 5 cube 1 by 25 5 power minus 3. ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ.